Hi friends! Welcome to the Imaginative Tales and Wonders! Today's tale is titled Koko the Chatterbox Parrot. In a cheerful village by the Ghanaian coast, where waves whispered and drums danced through the air, lived a parrot named Koko. Koko wasn't just any parrot, he was the most talkative bird the village had ever known. Koko the parrot could mimic anyone, from the chief's deep voice booming, "Attention everyone," to the drummer's steady beat, boom bum ta, boom bum ta, and even the goat's meh, meh. He was the star of the village square. One sunny morning, Koko flew to perch on a tall palm frond near the river. Below, two women whispered, giggling about a surprise wedding gift for the chief's daughter. Koko tilted his head and listened. That afternoon, during the busy market hour, Koko flew to the village square and quacked loudly. "The chief's daughter is getting golden shoes." Koko had repeated what was meant to be a secret. The two women rushed over. "Who told you that?" they asked. "How did the whole village find out?" Koko blinked. He hadn't meant to upset anyone, but he had. Embarrassed, Koko flew far away into the tallest tree he could find. He tucked his wings, quiet for the first time in days. The wind rustled, but Koko said nothing. As evening came, the village elder walked to the tree and called gently, "Koko, calm down, my child. Words," he said, "are like seeds. Once you scatter them, they grow. So speak only what you want to see grow." The next morning, Koko returned, not with mischief, but with kindness. "You look lovely today," he said to the fruit seller. "Well done," he cheered for the boy helping his mother. The villagers smiled, and their hearts did too. And so, Koko learned that we must all remember, words can hurt or heal, so speak kindly always. That brings us to the end of today's tale. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more tales and wonders. See you next time.